G'day, welcome back. So last video we did the exhaust, which was a bit of a disaster. Swapped out, don't know if you can see it hiding over here. That was the fire torch that we put on the bike, 128 bucks off AliExpress. Took a bit of a loss on that one. That's all right, shit happens. Stock one's back on. Sounds better. Just sounds better. I will eventually save up and buy a better exhaust, but for now we'll just leave it as it is. But today we are doing crash bars, bash plate, and we're also finally installing, let me grab them from over here, radiator guards, which will be cool. I get some good protection on the bike finally. So yep, that's today's job. We'll rip in, see how it looks. It's definitely well packed, that's for sure. Oh, fuck yeah, we got stickers. Good looking hardware, Allen heads. Cool. Righto, let's get cracking. Holy shit, this has been fighting me so hard. Once I figured out how to install it, where everything went, it was alright, but I had to use a strap to pull the frame in tighter so that we could actually get these in here nice and tight and working. Everything fits now, it's all good. But fuck me, what an absolute pain in the ass that was. I'm going to tighten everything up, then I can finish installing the lower crash bar and it'll be all good. So yeah.
12 seconds later.
Fuck me, this has gone like from bad to worse and it's just fucking doing my head in now. So we ended up threading the fuck out of this bolt here. So now I'm going to, can't really see fuck all there, but I'm going to weld a nut onto the back of it. So I'll weld the nut on the back and then I'll be able to thread it in. I've drilled out the fucked up thread and fuck, what a fucking shit show. Mostly my fault, I just sent it home. I got grumpy with it, just fucking zooted it in there. Fuck. Oh, so I'll put you up and you can watch me burn my motorbike down. At least it'll be good for insurance, I guess. Oops. Wait a minute, got us on fire. Expected that. That's alright, minor details. Actually looks half decent. Holy shit. Shall I do a Scott Morrison? Be like, oh yeah, back on the tools and then fucking just burn it in without looking. Without dropping my shield. Oh, that got a bit warm. Let's just ignore my burnt carpet. Because, you know, we don't care about that. But, here we go. Weld it in. Not terrible, actually. For a dog shit welder, I'm pretty happy with that. I'll let that cool down before I take this off. That way it's, you know, it's all fucking, it doesn't warp or anything. And What a fucking nightmare that was. It's done now. It's installed. Happy that it's, you know, fucking on. Feels pretty sturdy. You know. Yep, sick. Not completely sold on these lower bars. They don't seem to protect much, nor do they add. I'm not sure if they're adding a whole lot of structural integrity to that lower subframe, but time will tell, I guess. We'll see how much I crash. If I crash it lots and it holds up, then it's a win. This side is all sorted out, nice and tidy. I even found a nice little Allen head to go in there that fits, same size as all the others, so it's nice and uniform. So yeah, it's all done. I still haven't done the rock guard and the radiator guard yet though. That's sitting up here. I will do that soon. I'm gonna go have a beer because that was fucked.
A few moments later.
Righto, so that's beer and a snack had. I get a bit hangry. Not hangry now. Well, I might still be a little hangry. But we're gonna try and do these. Which go in here. Which means I'm going to undo these fucking things again. That's alright, because I'm a patient person. No, I'm not. Fuck that. Oh well, let's see how we go. Could be a shit show, like doing the fucking that and that, but we'll see. I don't think it will be as bad. Well then, that's all done. Bloody hell. That was, all of that was far harder than it ever should be. But there we go, we've got the radiator. That's not bad. About as sturdy as you'd expect. Rock guard. Bolts onto there, that actually looks half decent. Bash plate. And the crash bars. Well, I'm glad that's done. That is all the armour that I'll be doing on this bike. I did think about doing the fancy mesh headlight guard, but really I think that's just a wank and probably unnecessary. Short of new tyres going on in a couple of weeks. The only thing I really want to do left over is a proper exhaust after we had to replace that one. There we go, happy days. Sweet, thanks for watching.